Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host Eddie Guna and this is the Reggae Boyz 11. Hopefully for the game against St. Kitts and Nevis. It's definitely a difficult one to predict what Coach Alcrimson and the coaching staff will put out there, but the fact is that we are 3 goals behind in the goal difference column versus the USA. We need a bag of goals, right? We need to outscore the USA or better their result against St. Kitts and Nevis. Maybe a 6-0 as well can do the job if US fail to beat Trinidad by 3 clear goals, or maybe we need 7 or 8. So it's depending on what USA does in the Trinidad game. So we need to strike a balance. I know there will be changes. As I said earlier, it's going to be difficult to predict Coach Algrimson's move, but players have been playing 90 minutes in both games and they might want a rest in this third game. But we need our best, but we definitely need some of our attacking players to do the job. We're going into this game with a massive ask to rack up 6 goals. It's never easy, despite the opposition. No team is going to lay down and just take a 6 love. So it's going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy. St. Kitts will be fighting as well for pride. But let's take a look at this 11 in which I put together. Andre Blake in goal. Only the USA game we really see him make saves. He was very comfortable in the Trinidad game. Didn't make a save at all. He still conceded, but that wasn't his fault. Breakdown at the back. Andre Blake. Dexter Lambatisa. I will put him back in the team. He got some minutes in the Trinidad game, but at left back. I think he should be back in his regular right back role. Damion Lowe has been a beast. Definitely in. We could see the return of Mariappa. He got the rest versus Trinidad, but I'm thinking that he will then go with Deshaun Bernard. He had a good game in the Trinidad encounter. Was up and down. He was actually in the box at one point trying a scissors kick. That would have been a wonderful goal. So he's very attacking, and he's definitely more attacking than Mariappa. So I think he would go with Deshaun Bernard, seeing that we need goals. Amari Bell did not play against Trinidad. He was on the bench. I think this game he could be reinstated. If he's fit. Taxi came off early. I don't know what's going on with Taxi. He came off early. So that's an issue right there with Taxi. He could play Dexter in the left back role as well and start a Javin Brown. But I think it's time for Amari Bell to get back his game. The middle of the park, I would not change it. Joel Atabedier had a good game, got an assist. Kevin Lambert, big man in the middle against Trinidad. 4 tackles, 1. A lot of interceptions. Played well, pressed. Was one of the leaders of the press. He pressed a lot and was very energetic in the middle of the park. In front of them, I would put Bobby D. Cordova-Reid. Persons might be saying, look, give Whisper a chance. If Whisper does come in, it might be for Bobby. The top 4 or the attacking 4, out of all of them, Bobby has been least effective. Not saying he has been terrible, but the other 3 definitely outshine him so far. But who to tell, maybe this game is the game for Bobby D. Cordova-Reid. Front 3, best front 3 in Concacaf. Leon Bailey, Michael Antonio, and Demari Gray. They linked up extremely well. Michael leading the line, holding up the ball, and supplying Leon and Demari. Tremendous talent up top. It's building. It's going to get better. And this is another game for us to see what we have up top. Get better, get the clicking right, and improve. We look to start in a 4-4-2, but tactically speaking, it's more of a 4-2-4. You know, two deep lying midfielders, defensive midfielders, protect the back four. So we're looking at 6 players defending and 4 really doing the attacking. You know, D card over Reed will drop back. You know, Demare will drop back and Leon Bale will drop back, making it a 4-5-1 without the ball. You know, but it's flexible, and you know, 4-3-3, 4-2-4, 4-2-1-3. It's all over the place. So we have that ability to switch and keep the opponents guessing. So this is how I think we will line up against St. Kitts and Nevis. We need the goals. Hopefully there will be a lot of hat tricks and braces. So again, to recap, Andre Blake, captain in goal, Dexter Lambakisa, Damion Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Amari Bell, Joel Latibodier, Kevin Lambert, Bobby D. Cardova-Reed, Leon Bailey, Michael Antonio, and Damari Gray. Still a must-win game for Jamaica, and a must-win big for Jamaica. Let me know if you agree with my 11, or would you be adding more attacking players? Drop your comments in the comment section below. This is Eddie Guna. Thanks for watching, and always remember, like, share, and subscribe.
I'm Aileen Bailey, Olympian for Jamaica, and you're watching Eddie Visions. Remember to subscribe, like, and subscribe, and share.